Hello, my old gauge friends. So we're down here on the Hudson River line again. And as you can see, New York has been under a cloud and rain for the last month. And this is what the mountains look like when there's a fog hanging over them. And we're hoping to catch a rare catch here today. Doing a little rail fanning. On the other side there is the Metro North line, and Amtrak is running the 50th anniversary Genesis on that line. I missed it a couple of times, and I'm going to try to catch that either today or tomorrow. But yeah, we're at the Hudson River. This is it, New York. And let's see what comes by. We got 3 reds down there. That means we got a southbound coming down. I just missed a double header. And so it'll probably be at least a half hour, 40 minutes before something else comes through. All right, guys. Take a look at this beautiful scenery. A little bit of misty atmosphere. Gives it a mystery. Love that train tunnel. All right. See you guys later. See you on the next shoot. That's the Bear Mountain Bridge right there. The Bear Mountain Bridge. Goes up around that mountain on an overlook. Absolutely gorgeous. And this way, north of the Hudson, is Storm King Mountain, and West Point is right around that bend. See that bend right there? Well, right around that bend, you come into West Point. And the deepest part of the Hudson is in that area. From somebody was telling me about that. I think it's over 200 feet deep in that area. And that's the reason why I believe that they put West Point there, because when they sank the ships, there wasn't no obstruction in the river. Kind of makes sense. I don't know. Could be true, could not be true, but they did have a chain going across here back in the Revolutionary War days. With the British, and the chain was going to Constitution Island, and it came right across to this side, and that chain used to stop the ships, the warships in those days, from continuing on their course, and then West Point used to open up on them. I'd like to know what's down there, 240 feet down. Surprised nobody ever really went down and took a look. All right, the next video will be a train going by. Okay, guys, see you on the next shoot. Take care.